Alright guys, this is Immaculate Collection Baseball. Snake Draft, single box, hit break, split. Round 2 between Darren and Josh. Josh has #1 pick for this box. Here we go. Alright, there's actually a redemption on the bottom here. Looks like an extra hit. Okay, we have a Jorge Soler, jersey number 299. Jorge Soler, jersey number 299. Next up is a dual patch, numbered 4/10, Jose Ramirez. 4/10, Jose Ramirez. Oh, that's a nice looking patch. Alex Bregman, numbered 6/49, dual jersey. It's a crazy looking patch here. Rookie patch autograph. Part of the Giants logo, 7/10, Mauricio Dubon. On card. I like that. All right, then we have a Bo Bichette, number 9/49. Jersey autograph. Probably looking like the best box so far. Bo Bichette. All right, another rookie patch autograph. This one is Logan Allen, numbered 5/53. Logan Allen, 5/53. And another rookie patch autograph /99, Tony Gonsolin. That's a blockchain redemption. Interesting. 99, Tony Gonsolin. And blockchain redemption is monochrome platinum autograph of Kyle Lewis. To look on the checklist, that might actually be a 101 since it's platinum. Monochrome platinum blockchain Kyle Lewis. All right. So that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 total cards in that one, including the blockchain. So 2 extra pieces. Definitely the most solid box we've seen so far. Guys, go ahead and draft away. And again, I've got SkinsFan, Josh, #1 pick.